Hello, Mrs. Johnson.
Hello.
You never know what's behind these doors.
No, you don't.
So we're going to walk in and we're going to see if this is good or bad. I hear it's bad, but let's take a look.
Okay.
All right. I hear it's bad, but let's take a look.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, there's a couch.
There's a couch, okay?
All right. And let's hope that the lights work.
You smell cigarette smoke?
I do.
Okay.
I do have light. That's good.
Okay.
So we definitely have
Is there a
some-
kitchen light we can turn on?
Yeah. Got clean. Uh-oh. No, we don't. We don't have a light bulb there.
Let's see what we got.
So,
We are in a college town, and
like-
there's some beer in our college town. Okay, so this is a kind of a dirty refrigerator. That'll be something to look forward to there, babe.
Well, maybe we can leave it open and use it as light before I unplug it.
Okay.
I don't-
All right.
Because
Let's look at the closets.
we're gonna. I only brought like 2 garbage bags. They
So- I think we're going to throw away most of this stuff, but I will ask her. All right. Hey, we have light.
We have lots of hangers.
Okay. Oh, they're a fan of
His
Duke.
favorite,
All right, let me walk in the bathroom. I guess I'll wait on you. Let me walk in there.
Only there's no light. It looks like.
No lights. Okay. Okay, I got the light on, babe. All right. So there is our toilet.
Let's see if it.
Okay. You know, if you use that toilet bowl solution, it'll probably make that thing come almost perfectly clean.
Well, I brought the Lysol Power.
Yeah. I think Lysol Power will be fine. I'd go ahead and get it in there.
Goodness gracious. Ugh. When did they last flush it? Okay.
All right, here's the tub. You're going to have some fun with this tub.
I might want to just spray the mildew cleaner on it now.
Yeah.
Not scrubbing. You know.
All right. Let's.
So you think, ooh, that's bright. You think light from a phone is gonna work for me to clean this?
I think the sun's going to come up and you'll have this. You'll have light from this window right here.
Okay.
You'll be
I don't want her
okay.
coming in and I'm cleaning by phone light.
Well, I'll let you get started.
I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay, go ahead and ask me a few
Oh,
questions. Okay.
Well, how much? I like to clean out all the junk and garbage before I start.
Yeah.
So you're saying don't do that?
No, go ahead. I would say, but while you're doing it, I'd go ahead and spray your oven with oven off.
Yeah, you don't need to tell me those things.
Well, you just said you're asking questions.
No, you were giving me answers to questions I didn't ask.
Oh. All right. Well, I would still spray this thing with oven off.
Yeah, I would too, and I'm gonna go in the bathroom and spray in there.
Okay. So what was your question?
Well, that was my question. Do I throw out all the junk? What am I not throwing out?
Oh, what stuff do you keep? What stuff do you throw out?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good question. So you should spray out the oven with oven off. That was a joke. Oh, okay. I will call her right now and find out what we keep and throw out.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right.
Is that a reminder for me? Like in case I decide that, oh, the microwave must be clean, I better not open it.
Just in case you forget. Okay. Well, I will let you get going.
Okay, yeah, I need that information.
I would open all these windows up for light. I wouldn't leave the refrigerator open. Okay, so Jess is getting ready to clean. And put some stuff in the toilet bowl while we're waiting. Jess probably doesn't appreciate me doing this. She likes to clean. So I'm putting Lysol Power in here. So look at that toilet. There's a good chance that's rust. And I just made a video on how to remove rust from the toilet. And I discussed the lime cleaner. This is what we have now, is Lysol Power. So it isn't the rust and lime, but let's see how it does. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to spray it in there and let it sit. I think this is going to work too. We'll see. So we'll just let that sit for a while. And watch, Jess is she's gonna yell at me when she comes in here and sees me spraying the
Is there a light socket in the bathroom? Because we would use that light.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this oven. When you're doing these nasty houses, go ahead and spray this thing, because the longer you let it spray and sit, the easier it is. What is it, babe?
You're doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Go call her and ask. I mean, seriously. This drives me nuts.
I'm spraying,
Put the
babe.
video off. Gosh, you want me to do it and then you come and do it. Move.
I love you, babe.
No.
Okay.
Call them to see what I need to throw out. Okay, well, go get some money.
So, babe, can you look at me? Were you really yelling at me out of anger? Are you mad at me?
There's a light. I might see the light.
Oh.
Oh,
Hey.
yay, I got some light.
All right, babe. Well, you ready for me to go and leave you alone?
Well, I need to get.
So, tell me a little bit about your plan while you're cleaning here. What are you going to do in this house?
Well, first of all, I'm gonna get the garbage up, and then I'll start in the kitchen, and then move to the bathroom, and then go from there. What bothers me is the lighting.
Mm-hmm.
I really, well, I like to do a good job, and if you can't see.
If you can't see, it's hard to do a good job.
Yeah, I wish you would have told me to bring the lantern.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't tell you to bring the lanterns. As you can see, Jessica is a little sassy this morning. Did you have 2 cups of coffee?
I'm not sassy. I'm just.
Wow. Well, what an exciting cleaning documentary this is.
Yeah, I hope people are watching.
I hope our marriage can survive such
Oh.
drama. Well, we thought we would take a break here in the middle of this documentary to tell you a little bit about TurnClean Services. So we clean. Where do we clean at, Jessica?
Metro Atlanta and Athens.
Yeah, Metro Atlanta and Athens. And so while Jess does some of the cleanings, and you see her a lot on the video, we have contractors that we use that clean throughout 285 and in the perimeter and outside the perimeter. So if you're a realtor or a property manager and you have a home that you want to get cleaning, carpet cleaning, painting, or junk removal, please visit our website. You want to point toward
Yes.
Please visit our website, TurnCleanServices.com. All right. Well, maybe a quick question or two before we get back to the movie. So you've watched TurnClean Services grow. Mm-hmm. You were there when I told you I thought I'd start a cleaning business. Mm-hmm. What is so they've heard the story. I think I've got a link to starting the business here. What is one of the oddest things you've seen in the cleaning business?
I have never seen a house like this, and I didn't know a house like this could exist.
Okay.
But we walked into the door, and we literally saw like cockroaches. The cockroaches were moving all over the walls. And then in the kitchen, instead of white cabinets, they looked brown because of all the cockroach poop.
Did you know that
caked on
cockroaches,
there.
as crazy as the cleaning business has been, I am so proud of what we have.
Yeah, we're really proud of TurnClean and the good work that they do. And
Well, you say they do good work. I'd like to know if you're going to do good work. They have watched your house being, dare I say, a little sassy with your wonderful husband.
He should be apologizing for using that word.
I would like to see how good a cleaner you are. Let's head back to...
Do not doubt me. Let's head back to what's behind that door.
Cleaning behind that door.
Oh, cleaning behind that door.
Here we go. Apartment, and she doesn't know I'm about to surprise her, so let's see what kind of mood she's in.
Hear you.
I thought we'd come surprise you in the middle of your cleaning.
Oh, and tell everybody how slow I am?
You're not. How are you, babe?
Oh, he doesn't respond. I'm good.
Would you look at the camera for just a second? So, you've been working your butt off. I can smell some bleach in here.
And it looks perfect.
Oh, you're
That's
doing...
why it takes so long. So, but you don't, I mean, not the refrigerator yet. I haven't cleaned it, but everything else has been cleaned.
Okay, tell us a little bit about how it's going.
Well, I've been scrubbing, and I do have to say that this is a lifesaver.
Oh, what is that? That's the
Scotch-Brite.
Scotch-Brite stainless steel.
Yeah, the stainless steel one.
Oh,
The gray one.
I'll have to
silver
show.
one.
Did you know that if people want to buy one of those, they can click on the link below our
Yes.
video? Okay. So, did you see the lady text and said that Habitat for Humanity or one of the thrift stores is going to come carry the furniture away? So.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. When?
I don't know. You may see them show up, you may not. So,
Okay.
anyways. Well, I just want to say thank you. I think I look like a pretty big jerk here on the TV,
Why?
on the video, because you're cleaning away and I'm
They
not.
don't know that I like to clean. I'd rather be moving.
You'd rather be moving?
Yes. I'd
Um,
rather be feeling like I'm doing a job and working hard, and like I said, I like to exercise, so it like replaces my exercise during the day.
yeah. You know, we would like to see your face when you're talking, Jess.
Oh, I know,
So that's proper camera etiquette.
I know, but it's,
Have you done anything in here yet? Let's just see how the toilet's doing. Okay. Looking good. You're doing a great job. I appreciate you.
I don't know if you remember. How
Look at the
dirty
camera,
things-
please.
I don't know if you remember how dirty
I do remember how
things
dirty it is.
were.
How about the microwave? Can you show me about the microwave, what you've
I
done?
mean, yeah.
I mean, this place is a mess. It's a big cleaning. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
What did you use to clean in there?
Just all-purpose cleaner.
Yeah,
And
it helps get rid of the greasy feel, that all-purpose. Did you use
Yes.
Spick and Span or something else?
Just Kroger, Lysol.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it's not called Kroger Lysol. That's
No.
combining two names.
Well,
It's
people are smart enough to know what I'm talking about.
Kroger Home and Garden. That's the stuff right there.
Yeah, but it says it's Lysol.
We have to be correct on our videos.
Oh,
Okay, well. All right, babe, would you mind calling me about 30 minutes before you're done so I can come see the finished product?
sure, babe.
I love cleaning.
I love cleaning. I do. I really when we started.
All right, well,
Okay.
show it to us. Let's see your clean place.
Okay. Now, make sure you clean your feet off.
Okay.
Go in. Okay. On top. And
Up here too, on top of the refrigerator?
yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know if you remember how dirty the sink was.
Not really.
Clogged.
How about that? Did you remember?
And
Much better.
But Yeah, that's just a stain.
Okay. How about that oven? Did you use the oven off?
Yes.
Whoa! Thank goodness I gave you a good tip.
Yeah.
What would you have done without my tip?
I would have probably been slower.
All
I
right.
cleaned all the cabinets. I had a ladder
Yeah.
because there's no way to get to the top one. There's no ladder. I cleaned the fan.
Wow. Oh, you did the ceiling fan?
The cabinets is what took forever. They had grease caked on them.
Okay.
We never appreciate that, but that takes forever.
All right. Well, I remember this toilet. So you put the purple.
Mm-hmm. It was brown before.
I really want to see what it looks like. Flush it and see what it
You'll
looks
have
like.
to go get fabulous.
So there is our toilet.
Let me see if it.
Usually like to keep purple fabuloso in a toilet so that it looks so it smells nice and clean and looks clean. But in this case, I really wanted to see what the toilet looks like, so I think they'll be happy with that. Let's see this. Oh wow, much better. Good job.
The tile.
Oh
better.
boy, yeah. I'm gonna show them a before.
Okay.
All right, here's the tub. You're gonna have some fun with this tub.
I might want to just spray the mildew cleaner on it now.
Yeah. That is very good. For this old place, awesome. Awesome. Okay. Well, I gotta say, you did a great job.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our documentary
Thank you.
video. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And we'd really appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time on How Do I Clean? How do I clean?
How do I clean?
How do I clean?
How do I clean?